What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian, how long have you worked here?
I've been with the company for about 3 years.
Okay, and how long have you been running the manual bender?
I've been running the bender for about 2 years.
2 years, okay. Obviously, we have a new piece of equipment. What were your first thoughts when you saw this?
Well, my first impression was as far as what I could do by myself as far as the machine run. Single bins, double bins, single pieces. There's things that the tedious job that little changes here and there.
So the machine made you faster?
Made me faster, yeah.
Okay, what about the quality of work?
The quality of work come out better. You know, with a robot, you don't have to depend on another individual to hold a certain spot.
So you can run the machine by yourself and get a more consistent result.
I can do a four-man job with one person.
Okay. What about safety? Do you notice any differences between the old way and the new way?
I feel like this is a lot safer. You're farther away from the product itself, the machine itself. No moving products or pinching products on your way. The machine itself will shut off if you get too close or in a danger area.
And I guess probably the most important thing, what about quality of life? How do you feel after a hard day's work on the robot versus on the old manual bender?
At the end of the day, you can definitely feel a difference in your hands and shoulders. At the end of the week, you've got a lot more energy to go out and do a lot more with your family. And just overall, I just made myself feel good.
Good, glad to hear it. Thank you, Brian.